Definitely a hassle, but hey. Alright, let's get you there. There. Hey, folks, Mr. McStache. And we're out here riding because the sun's trying to come out. It's a beautiful day to ride. Not really, but I got my heated gear on. I got my bike, and I'm getting myself mentally cleared. I don't know. Roll that intro. Let's talk about it.
Oh, you didn't know?
You ever have one of those weeks where just everything seemed wrong? I mean, like major wrong. No matter what you did, didn't come out right. I don't know. It's just been a heck of a week for me, and I need a little head clear. Plus, I had a funeral this morning. I don't know if I can get that or not, but they was giving me a look. Something seen a buddy last night, and he asked me that. You must get some weird looks when you're out there in the cold cold. I said, no, not really. And then I just get one. That's awesome. Anyhow, it was just one of them weeks. Just, if it could go wrong, it did go wrong, you know? So, I figured I would get out here, maybe do a little bit of vlogging. All week long I was watching the weather, because, you know, Saturdays I usually have a funeral anyway. But 30% chance of snow all week long until it gets closer. It turns out to be 60% chance. There's another funeral. So let me pull over and let this guy get some room. Probably should have gone, but I got to took some stuff off. So, yeah, hang on. Anyhow, so it's just been one of them weeks. When I got done working, I was like, you know what? Let's just get us a little ride in, make us a little vlog. That's what we're doing. Oh, I went the wrong way. Sure, I know where I'm at. But if not, hey, what's the matter? We're already out. We're already on the bike. We're already having fun. So, yeah. Let's just enjoy it for the day, huh? Sun coming out. Look at that. Woo! Yeah, boys. Oh, mercy. I ain't been out this way in a long way. Matter of fact, I believe this out here might be my Dun Life's area. Yeah, I've seen him. Check him out. Got a good channel. He met us. We were doing a couple of legs of Ohio's Windy Nine. If you haven't done that, check that out. And there's some nice riding out through there. But he come out and checked us out. Did a little ride along with us. Of course, I had audio problems. Go figure, right? So that was a good time. So I really, this is kind of like we did it the other day. Road Rash HD did one. He didn't have a topic, but I really don't have a topic. I'm just out riding along. Uh, yeah, I had decided to do. I thought when I got out, I was going to talk about some of the changes in America since well, I don't know, since I went to high school, since I was in the military. We hired a new guy at work. It's ex-military. And I got out a long time ago. Let's just say it that way. And of course, him being out recent, we talked a little bit about what goes on day to day life in the military and stuff like that. And I cannot believe how much it has changed. Oh my goodness! But in my opinion, that goes along with the current state of the world today, and everybody's lost their brain, and chaos is gone. Uh, Responsibility has been forgotten, and yeah, I don't want to get into that. That'll lead into all kinds of mess stuff. Well, I ain't been out this way in a long time. So I think I know where I'm going. Oh, I know this road, and I know this road leads down to toward the area I grew up in, or I run from. So yeah, we're gonna go with that. Okay. Oh, so yeah, folks, I didn't have much to say. Didn't have a lot going on, but I was out riding. I needed to make some vlog, so I figured, what the heck? So, Barrington, I know what I want to do here. This should be Main Street here. Hey, we'll go down. Yeah, we'll go down to Old Bixby. I love. Oh, this is Bryce. That's what that is. Which there's a hardware store out here somewhere, but I don't have any need for anything at the hardware store. So just going down here to this road I like so well, and we'll take it. Bit of a curvy road. We're on Mama's trike, so we're not going to get too crazy in it. And it's not because I'm on the trike. It was Ozark's AC and me. I was giving him a hard time not too long ago because him being a triker, and I said I'd go slow so keep up. Which is not true. For anybody that has ridden a trike, it does. It still gives you the wind in your face. It still gives you the out here in the midst of all of it, non-cager feeling. So you know it is. The only thing you don't have is the lean, which if you can wrap your head around riding a motorcycle without the lead, that's what it is. There's a little bit of lead. You can't get into the corners and enjoy it. I guess it's better than a moped. Scooter, one of them things. So, one thing I do want to know, I've seen several of the bloggers out there on who was it? Jim Diesel had a live stream, and Diesel Hog Vlogs. The other name escapes me right now. They was on there, and they got to talking about electric bikes, because most of you Harley guys know that's their big push now, the live wire and all that stuff. I actually kind of like the idea of an electric bike. I don't know why. I just do. Commuting, probably more of that's what it is more than anything is the commuting aspect of it. We have Mama's Trike here and Ultra Classy, which are both the large Harley baggers, and I love them. Don't get me wrong, I love them, and I can use them for a commute when we do big trips. Uh, Around Memorial Day every year, we pack up, get on the bike for about 10 days, and just enjoy ourselves. This year, we're going to go over and see the St. Louis Arch and head down Clifton, Georgia, Oklahoma, Mississippi, Texas, all that. Uh, that's our 10-day trip this year. So that's why we have the big baggers. Go to last 2 years, I think. We went to Niagara Falls on the bike. Yeah, we take a lot of 3-day weekends and long trips on the bike. That's where we have the big bike baggers. I think I'm kind of into the idea of the electric bikes, basically because it's a commuter bike, and throughout the week I can hop on it, no problem. Get out, and get some rides in. Use it as a commuter bike because I mean, states you're talking about 100 miles an hour, and that's about it. So I don't know. I kind of like the idea. I'm going to drag my feet on it, of course, because nobody wants to drop that kind of money. Number two, I want to know a little more about the batteries, the longevity of the batteries, not necessarily the 100 miles. I get you got a limited range on that. That's I'm a forklift mechanic, and we work with a lot of electric trucks. And I understand how that all works, but of course, maintenance is a big part of it. You take care of the batteries, you can get up to 5 years out of a big industrial battery. Well, I understand they don't have the big industrial batteries in a motorcycle. Obviously, there's no room for them. We're talking about 5,000 pound, 3 and 5,000 pound batteries on these lifts. What would a motorcycle battery bring you? Can you get 5 years out of it? I'd love to know that. If I get 5 years out of it, yeah, I'm all in there. But who is it? Randy's Rides has an electric bike. He just bought him some new batteries for it, which was not cheap. And he's had it for about a year, and he's starting to have problems with it. So, yeah, I mean, I don't necessarily like that idea, but whatever. Anyhow, all right, folks. I don't know how long that is, but yeah, this is Mr. McStache out here on the east side of Columbus, and it looks like about 30-degree weather with a 60% chance of snow. Fortunately, we haven't seen any of that yet. Well, we have, but it wasn't enough to make a difference. So, love on your family. Check on your buddies. And when you get back out there, folks, keep your rubber side down. We'll see, y'all.